In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a really easy do-it-yourself window cleaner that's going to blow away those store-bought window cleaners, and you'll never buy any again once you make this. It's really easy, it's really quick, it's only going to take us a couple of minutes to make it up, and then I'm going to show you how it works. So our ingredients for this window cleaner are rubbing alcohol, white distilled vinegar, and we're going to use essential oils. Now this is the peppermint essential oil that we sell in our shop, but you can use citrus oils like lemon if you like orange better. I like the smell of this peppermint. It leaves the house smelling really good, and it leaves a fresh scent on your windows. So we're going to use that, and then just distilled water. Okay, another thing here is this spray bottle. I just repurposed one of those store-bought window cleaner bottles. So you don't have to get fancy or buy bottles or anything. Just repurpose something like this and you can use it. Saves you time, saves you money. And so here we go. Let's get this stuff made. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put in a half a cup of rubbing alcohol. So I've got my measuring cup here. We're going to measure out a half a cup. Half a cup of white vinegar. And then this is the time you want to go ahead and put your essential oils in. So I'm going to put in 30 drops of peppermint essential oil. And the alcohol is going to help. It's going to be an emulsifier that's going to help the essential oils stay suspended into the water. So our last ingredient here, 3 cups of water. And as you can see, that just about fills our spray bottle up, and this will last us a long time. So I'm going to put the top on here. And there you have it. You've got a brand new spray bottle of glass cleaner. This stuff is going to last you a long time. Now when you get ready to use it, you want to shake it up just a little bit, just to mix up the essential oils and everything. Okay, I don't know if you can tell from the shot just how dirty these windows are, but there's a lot of grime, especially on the outside. They're not so dirty inside, but I'm going to clean the windows here, and hopefully we'll be able to see the difference once we shoot this. So I've got my glass cleaner here, microfiber cloth. Like I've said before, buy you some of these. It saves you a ton on buying paper towels and wasting those. This, you can clean these windows. Then you can just throw them in the washing machine and wash them in cold water, put them on air dry or low heat, and this thing is reusable hundreds of times. So get you some microfiber cloths. These things are great. This window cleaner has a good peppermint smell to it. It smells amazing. Well, obviously the inside of the window was a little dirtier than I thought, but this is what you can do with this. Great cleaner. And just turn the cloth over and you can polish the window. And it's already a lot cleaner. So I'll clean the rest of these. I'm going to go outside and do this side of it just so you can see that. And then I'll clean the rest of the windows and we'll show you how it looks when we finish it up. Okay, in this shot I think you can see the difference. The window on the right, the top frame has been cleaned with our window cleaner. The frame on the left still hasn't been cleaned, and you can see how grimy it is compared to the one on the right. So I'm going to go ahead, finish cleaning these windows, and then we'll show you the results of this wonderful window cleaner. And there you have it. So we can compare what the windows look like before we started, which was pretty grimy, and now look at what we ended up with. And all I did was use one microfiber cloth, sprayed the window cleaner on, one microfiber cloth to clean, and then I came back with a second microfiber cloth to polish it up and dry it. And that's it. Really easy, really simple, saves you a ton of money, and it leaves a nice peppermint scent from the peppermint essential oils in your house, so you don't get that vinegar smell. So try some of this out, make some for yourself, save yourself some money, and get those windows clean. Just look at that. That looks great. I've been wanting to do this for a while, so I'm really glad I got the chance to do this. So we appreciate you guys watching our videos. Like our Facebook page and our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next video.